They say before you build an empire, you must make sure that you heal the ground it stands on. And I totally agree. My name is Anele. You can call me Z. This is the Empire Within, where we talk about the journey of transformation, where we are becoming. This is Becoming Z, the Empire Within. I'm in a journey of reclaiming the girl I lost a long time ago. So, whether you are in a journey of healing from the heartbreak or you are in a journey of choosing yourself, this is the right place. Let us grow together. Let us become who God has created us to be together. So, as I'm in this journey of reclaiming this girl that was lost long time ago, let me tell you a little bit about my story. So, as I said, my name is Anele. You can call me Z. So, I grew up in a home where it didn't actually have the right foundation of the home where there's mom and dad and children growing up. I grew up living with my grandmother, and she was the one that was raising us, and my mom had to go to work. We'll see her maybe like twice a year, three times a year. We'll go and visit her, but it was not the same as you are staying with your parents. So there was always a longing in my heart that I needed a home. I needed somewhere to belong. I needed a place to call my own. So as I grow up, I was so much in pursuit of finding that home, where I belonged. So what I will do in every relationship or friendship that I will be in, I will try so much to build, those people. I will try to build everywhere, the environment that I'm in. I will try to build, not knowing that I was actually trying to build something that was missing within. So I will build outside instead of like focusing on the inside. I worked so hard in becoming a wife, working so hard to become a mother, worked so hard to become a business partner, but there was always something that was missing inside me until, one day it came to me and I said to myself, enough is enough. I cannot do this anymore because what was happening there, as I was busy building everybody else, I was losing myself. I was dying inside. And I realized that now I was giving from an empty cup. Like I was in zero, like there was nothing. It was just empty. So because of that, I started gaining weight. Because why? When everything was happening in my life and it was not happening the way I wanted, I turned to food. I ate too much because I was trying to like comfort myself. Food was my biggest comfort. So I gained weight because of that. And I didn't like what I was seeing in the mirror. And because of that, also, I started, my face started showing that I was actually under a lot of pressure and under a lot of stress. So my face started to break out, and then I had pimples like so big, like pimples, big pimples. So because of that, I was like, you know what, I want to change myself from within, not only outside. You know what I will do before? I will dress up and I will like buy things, I'll buy clothes, and then I was trying to cover what I was feeling inside. And then when time went on, I felt like, you know what, let me actually change who I am. So guess where did I go? The first place that I went to when I wanted to realize that, you know what, I'm changing myself, I went to God and I said, Lord, I need you because He's my source, He's my everything. So without Him, I couldn't make it. So I went to Him and then I said, Lord, help me. And we are in the journey of becoming with God. He's telling me about who I am in Him and rebuilding me. But I didn't stop there. And then, so so as I saw that my journey with God was going very well, I was happy with that. And then I had to look at other places that I needed to change myself. I needed to change my self image. And then I needed to do something that will help me to lose weight. First of all, where did I go to? I went to the earth, to the roots. I went to using herbs for my body, and it's helping me to transform my appearance. It's helping me with my skin. It's helping me to lose weight. It's helping me to grow hair. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You see, I've cut my hair. The reason why I've cut my hair, it was just a symbol to say, Zanele, you are changing and you are starting over. This is the becoming. This is starting over. I'm excited about it. I'm feeling so much fresh and free, and I'm loving it. And then, but my aim is that I'm going to grow the hair. And then as I'm growing the hair, there's oils that are coming up. It's going to be becoming organic herbs that are coming up. I will tell you all about it. I've got hair oils that helps to grow the hair, and then also I've got creams for the face, oils for the face. I'll introduce it as time goes on. But today it was just my introduction on becoming Z, the empire within, where we're going to talk about the different topics that touches our lives as we want to change who we are. And then, one of the things that I can leave you with today, that if you want to change your life, start from within. Change your spiritual life, whoever you are believing in. Make sure that you align yourself with your spiritual life, and then from there you start taking care of your body. Let us bath. Let us take care of ourselves. Let us look good. Take what you have and make sure that it looks good on you. You wash your clothes, you iron your clothes, you clean your space where you are, you make sure that you're healthy, it's clean, and that will help you on the journey of becoming. And then also, I want us to look good. I want us to glow. I want us to make sure that we eat healthy, we take care of ourselves. That's my mission. So if you are in a journey of transformation, you are in a journey of saying, you know what, I'm tired of seeing myself where I am. I want to really change my life. You are welcome in this podcast. I love to have you with me as we discover ourselves, as we are growing in this journey of becoming. We're going to have like different episodes. We're going to be talking about life, about transformation, or I'll be telling some of the stories about my life, where I'm coming from and where I'm going. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have you. Please subscribe, like, comment, and then on the comment section, I would love you to comment the stage you are in right now, whether you are in the very high stage of your life, you are in the boardroom, but you feel like there is something that is missing in your life and then you want to change your life. Please write on the comments. If you are in the lowest stage of your life, like on the ground, but you have that fire within to say, I want to change my life, please write it. Let us talk about it. Let us see how we can help each other. And also in the comment, if you see that there's somebody that you feel like you can comment and then to help their lives, please let us help one another. Let us grow this community where we are transforming, where we are becoming, the best self that God has created us to be. I'm so excited to have you. I love you so much. This is your girl Z. Until we meet again, I can't wait to meet you. Love you so much.